Okay, here is Rainbow Connection. I am going to be playing violin 2 part. Miss Gonzalez is going to be playing the violin 1 part. There are a couple of changes since before. Violin 2 part, measure 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 107, all separate in that measure. From violin 1 part at measure 77, you're going to do the 3 in the open, down and up. And then at the very end, you're going to separate the at measure 102, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 108. Separate right here. So those are the changes.
One other change. At measure 8, 9, 81, 2, 3, 4, 5, 85. We are playing the same rhythm as the measure before, so we have
half note,
half
quarter.
and
Okay,
so
those
on.
are the changes. Here we go. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.